Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how electronic components get so perfectly fine and precise? Well, today we're diving into the world of quartz pulverizers, a game changer for electronics manufacturing. These machines are designed to crush quartz materials into ultrafine powders with incredible consistency. Why is that important? Because quartz is a key material in making semiconductors, sensors, and circuit boards. It's all about precision. Even the tiniest irregularity can mess up an entire electronic device. With a quartz pulverizer, manufacturers can achieve particle sizes down to micrometers or even nanometers. That means better performance, higher reliability, and less waste in production. Think about your smartphone, laptop, or smartwatch. They all rely on finely processed quartz. Traditional grinding methods just can't match the speed and accuracy of modern pulverizers. These machines use advanced mechanisms like impact milling or ball milling to break down quartz efficiently. They're built tough to handle abrasive materials without wearing out quickly. Plus, many models come with automated controls for consistent output batch after batch. This isn't just about making things faster. It's about pushing the limits of what electronics can do. By using finely pulverized quartz, companies can develop smaller, more powerful devices. We're talking about advancements in AI chips, medical devices, and renewable energy tech. So, whether you're in the industry or just curious, the quartz pulverizer is worth your attention. It's a quiet hero in the background, making sure our tech keeps getting smarter and more efficient. Next time you use your gadgets, remember the precision engineering that goes into every part. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights.